Hey guys, it's time for a Project Woodworks quick tip. Okay, so got a piece of wood here. What I need to do is cut it exactly in half, right down the middle this way. All right. So to do that, obviously we need to measure it, find out how wide it is. Now, if you can see down here, we're looking at right at 11 and an eighth. Okay. So how do you figure out half of 11 and an eighth? Well, half of 11 is 5 1/2. Half of an eighth is a 16th. 5 1/2 plus a 16th is 5 9/16. But who needs to do all that? That's way too much work. All right. Let me show you a better way. What you can do, and just to keep it simple, just using a simple ruler right here, but you can do this with a tape measure or any other measuring device that you have, is you find a number that is a lot easier to work with in your head. Okay, so instead of working on 11 and an eighth and trying to figure out exactly what half of that is, we're just going to turn the ruler at an angle right here so it lines up with 0 down here and 12 all the way up here. Alright, now that's really easy to divide in half. That is 6 right there. Okay, pretty simple so far. Now make sure that when you're striking this line, that you stay parallel with these two edges right there, because that's what you're trying to cut in half. All right, now let me show you. Once we get that right there, strike your line, and I'll show you. I've already got this one set up. You are right in the middle. Okay, now that part's pretty simple because we're using pretty simple numbers right there. Now what if we need to do, or what if we need to cut this up into even smaller pieces? Alright, say that we need to divide this into, say, 3 or 4. It's just as simple. You line your 0, you line your 12, or any other number that's pretty simple to work with, and for this one, let's cut it at 3, 6, we already got, and then 9. Alright, I'm going to be doing the same thing. Going to strike a line right here, already got one in the center, and then another one right here, and that's going to leave us with exactly 4 perfectly even sections. Only other thing that you have to do is worry about setting up your table saw exactly in the center of each one of these lines. Alright, simple as that, guys. Thanks for watching.